मैं इतने लोगों का फॉलो करता हूँ. Second, let me see. Check everywhere we are able to see or not. Okay. Let's check on LinkedIn. Okay. On YouTube also we are live. That's great. Okay, next. Let me see here. Okay. All right. Let's check on LinkedIn now. So folks, we are live both on YouTube channel and both on LinkedIn. So you might have got notification on LinkedIn also. You might have got notification coming from YouTube also. Okay. Second, connect this. Okay, looks good. Okay, hello. Are you able to hear my voice loud and clear? Yeah, yes, no. 12 people are watching live here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. Let's start. So good evening, everyone. Welcome back again to Analytics with Anand. So the reason I am here, because tomorrow we have the Christmas celebration, and then next week down the line, we have the New Year coming up. So I thought let's come up with a new batch of the job guarantee program, which was got kick-started 5 months back. Still, it is going on, right? And it's not possible for me to every month to come up with a new batch. Now, again, on the eve of this new year, there are a lot of courses which are there, which I'll be going through each one of them, and you can grab 10% offer. I've also called my existing student, so soon you will be seeing it. Those who already got a job from the job guarantee program, or those who are still in the process, because still now the course has not yet over. So folks, those still, if you want to enter into the analytics career down the line, still things are there, so you can go ahead and enroll. And this is the only career in the current trend, be it from any background you belong from, BCA, MCA, BCom, MCom, only the basic graduation is required, and you'll be able to successfully transition into this. Right, now let me share my screen quickly, and then it will be very, very easier for me for you to explain things which are there down the line in this today's session. Okay, just hold on. Let me share my screen. Share screen. Yes, here you go. Now, those who are watching me live from last, I mean, Almost it's now 1.5 years since I have launched my YouTube channel. So we have reached close to 21,500 subscriber. So immense thanks to each one of you for making it a very, very great analytics platform. Now, coming back to this courses, that the reason we are here today, especially on this job guarantee program, which will be commencing live from the 4th January, first Saturday, Sunday onwards on the eve of New Year, which upcoming New Year we have. Now, all these courses, not only the job guarantee program, every course which you see it here down the line, be it your mastering SQL, be it your mastering Snowflake, be it your mastering Power BI, everything will be starting again from the scratch. So if you have missed out the first batch of the job guarantee program, which we kick-started on 15th August 2024, 6 months back, this is the time now to again enter into the analytics segment, and you can go ahead and enroll in this course. Right now, again, when I say this job guarantee program, 100% job guarantee program, the reason I'm telling you, because we have come up this time also with a money back program. What is this money back program? Apart from applying this New Year offer, right, when you click on get this course, right, you get this money back guarantee. What is this money back guarantee? Say, for example, you have purchased course, right? When we book flight ticket, you see there's an add-on which is being mentioned, and would you like to change your ticket? Now, if you're not sure whether you have the travel date on that particular date, so they charge you sometimes 300 to 400 bucks extra. Same here also it goes. So if you pay 1500, now 1500 is for the job guarantee program. For other courses, cost will scale accordingly. Now, if you're not happy with the course within the first 1 month down the line, you can take back all your money, right? Automatically, it will be get credited to your account. You can take all back your money. No need to call me or anything. App is sufficient enough. If you're not happy, just reach out the backend support team and they will refund back your entire money if you're not happy within 1 month. Next one, which I keep telling, if you don't get a job within 6 months of the course completion, again, your entire money gets refunded. This thing, no one in the world will give you. Trust me when I say this. Nobody in the world can give you a job guarantee program. So how I am giving? I am giving reason because I am working for behalf of you. I have a list of all consultants. I will guide you how your LinkedIn profile has to be. I'll guide you how your profile has to reach out the recruiter. Now, these days do not apply directly. Gone those days before COVID pre-era. You apply on the company platform and they call you. No, this is not the things happening in the current world. Right? Majority of you won't be getting a call seriously, I am telling you. And especially if you are from non-tech background and transitioning into the data analytics career, it will be a very, very tough call for you. Right? On your own, you cannot do it. Cost also, that's why I have kept it very, very minimal. Right? Cost also I have kept it very, very minimal, so that because if you reach any XYZ platform, I cannot name them, cost goes around 2 to 3 lakh of rupees with the job guarantee program. That too, they are the sales people. They will call, they will sell out the courses and tata bye-bye. I'm throwing an open challenge. You take job guarantee program, any program for any XYZ institute. Will the founder of that company will ever talk to you? Ever? I don't want to name it XYZ. I'm just telling the top 3, XYZ. Call, ask them, I want to talk to you, their founder. Will they ever talk? Will they ever take class? No. That's how. The sales people, they'll sell out the course and tata bye-bye. That's not what happened here at Analytics with Anand. We have a wide variety of 350 communities now. Close to 350 people are there in this community. Last batch, I'll show you live how many people have enrolled in the job guarantee program and how many people have enrolled in the new Master Data Analytics version 2.0 course. Now, Master Data Analytics version 2.0 course and job guarantee program both are almost same. Only difference is the cost, because this is job guarantee. That is only for those who want to enter into the data analytics industry, those who are already working, those who already have experience, right? Those who already have experience, for them, there is a separate course which we can see called the Master Data Analytics, which is version 2.0. Syllabus wise, both are same. Syllabus wise, you get both the same syllabus. There's no change in the syllabus. Whatever you are studying as a job guarantee program, here also you will be studying the same thing. There's no difference and all. Only difference is the cost wise. Only here also money back guarantee, right? Here also you get money back guarantee. So anytime if you are not happy, take your money and go back. Now, so far it has never happened. It's my open challenge. There cannot be a scenario where none of the people have reached out to me that I don't want to continue the course. Touch wood. It has not happened so far because we teach in such great in-depth, in and out, what is required in the data analytics industry, right? What is required in the data analytics industry. So any course, right, be it Master Data Analytics version 2.2, everything is starting from 4th January onwards, the first Saturday, Sunday, 3 to 5. We will be starting with the Power BI. So this is the time you should enroll in this course, right? This is the time you should enroll in this course because we are commencing with Power BI and then your SQL on Snowflake. A separate course on Snowflake I have launched this time, right? Many people have asked, sir, I wanted to master Snowflake and SQL. So this time a separate course on Snowflake, I have launched it, especially. So here we will commencing the SQL. Here will be commencing the SQL, right? So SQL will begin from your 11th January onwards, the next Saturday, Sunday. So this is the time when you should go ahead and enroll. Now, if you are very frequent with SQL, if you are very frequent with, you just want to revise Power BI, you can go ahead with the Power BI classes also. Course is very, very nominal, right? 4,000 rupees. All are live courses, nothing. And you get the previous batch recording also. I'll show you how your interface looks like. You get the previous batch recordings also. Let me show you that also quickly. Right, let me show you that also quickly. You see it here? Yeah, I have logged into my, this is how the portal you will get it, right? You can chat anytime hit here, right? You can go to the store here and you can buy directly from the app or from the website. I'll be showing you how you can buy from the app also, right? Flat New Year 10% offer you can grab and you can enroll. Say I'm enrolled in this last year batch, right? So you get all the content, everything, all the content, all the videos, everything for all the modules, you'll be getting it here. Say, for example, this job guarantee program. What are the content we'll be getting it, right? So you have all the entire content, whatever videos, whatever course we have delivered so far in this batch also, all these videos you'll be getting 26 sessions, which you can see, which we have covered on SQL. This you will get it. I'm not telling you to go through all this recording. No, a fresh batch I'm launching it. That's the reason I came today. This already you'll be getting it. Along with that, if you want to fast track, right? Along with that, if you want to fast track your career, you can go ahead and enroll in this. See, previous batch also I have given the Power BI. You see, we have just started with the AWS. We just started with the AWS. So these things, if you go outside and if you just enroll in AWS courses, it will cost you a lot. But entire thing, we are giving it up. So I am on the verge to train you in such a way so that you can go as a business analyst, so that you can go as a data engineer, so that you can go as a data analyst, senior data analyst, everything I'm opening up for you. Not only the Power BI developer. Gone those days when with SQL and Power BI you'll get a job. No, these days you need an ETL tool. These days you need Python. These days you need SQL, Power BI, that to the top notch. वो normal YouTube वाले videos नहीं है यहाँ. जो SQL के जो तुम देखते हो group by and Power BI, वैसे videos नहीं है यहाँ पे. Right? You have to study SQL and all those things in great in-depth. I'll show you just for the Danny case studies, which I was doing few days back. Right? How powerful SQL is capable enough of to do all those things. So you have to master a lot. And trust me, nobody can make you data analyst in 3 months. 8 months से पहले नहीं बन सकते हो. तो have patience. आज के जनरेशन के लोगों में मैंने देखा है पेशेंस नाम की कमी चीज है. 8 months में नहीं बन सकते हो. Sorry, 3 months में नहीं बन सकते हो. Minimum 8 months चाहिए. That too when you are studying every day 2 hours. That too when you are studying every day 2 hours. It's a time taking process. तुम्हें सारा SQL मास्टर करना पड़ेगा. इतने बड़े बड़े कोड लिखने पड़ेंगे. एक एक मॉड्यूल वाइज टेबल कैसे बनता है, केस स्टेटमेंट कैसे लिखते हैं, ग्रुप बाय कैसे काम करता है, ऑर्डर बाय कैसे काम करता है, केस स्टेटमेंट कैसे लिखा जाता है, सीटी कैसे लिखा जाता है, सब क्वेरी कैसे लिखा जाता है. Time taking. These are all time taking. This is not a one night journey. You see, joins कैसे काम करता है, कौन सा joins कब लगाना है, ये time taking process है. So you have to practice in such a way, right? And trust me, after going through this course, I say with 100% guarantee, you will be able to crack any job interview for a data analyst or for a data engineer role easily, right? Any job in the world, I'm telling you, any data analytics related job where SQL is there, where Python is there, where Power BI is there, where Tableau is there, all those things we are teaching you in great detail, right? All these things we are teaching you great detail. I'll show you what other things are here, right? We have also have Matillion, right? A very versatile ETL tool. All those Matillion also we will be teaching you here, right? Entire thing is here, right? And it's accessible on both. You can access it on app. You can access it on a browser, everything. That also interface. I'm showing you how you can buy it from the app also. As far as most of you are aware regarding the syllabus. So these days we are having 3 times, 3 times in a weekend we are having class. 11 to 1. Saturday, Sunday, then 11 to 1 will your Python session will begin, 3 to 5 your SQL will begin. Now Power BI will start, and also 7 to 9 we have AWS classes coming into picture. Now this is a very, very exhaustive course. If you are not a hard worker, if you cannot work hard, please do not enroll into any of these courses, because you have to devote that much of time, right? This is not just I'm coming here for the sale purpose. No, that's not the motive. Right? I don't want to spoil my name in the market. I will show you live how many students are currently enrolled in the job guarantee program. To be very, very honest, I'll show you how many people are in the job guarantee program. How do you see? How many you see the number here? 47 people have enrolled. Do you think are they full enough? Right? So 47 people have enrolled in the job guarantee program. I'll also show you how many people have enrolled in the master data analytics version 2.0. See this, 56 people. Syllabus by both are similar. So total 100 people have been enrolled in this new courses, which I'm showing you live, which nobody will show you. 100 people have been enrolled. And trust me, each one of them will get a job. That's my guarantee, which I'm trusting on them. All I'm asking them to work hard, nothing else. All I'm asking them to work hard, do all the assignments, all the questions series, whatever the answer series I'm sharing with them. Just they have to trust me blindly and enroll in any of these courses. If you are very good in SQL, no need to go with the job guarantee program. Go with AWS, learn AWS. If we want to just revise SQL on Snowflake on the cloud using this one. If you just want to revise Power BI, which is we are commencing from 4th January onwards, go and learn Power BI. Right? All these things, even with the Python session, new batch of Python, you will see it here. Right? Now, if you have mastered your data analytics, right? If you want to enter into the data engineering field, you can go ahead and enroll in the data engineering courses also. Every courses are here. You can go ahead and enroll in the data engineering courses. All the syllabus, I'm sharing it here. We have Excel. Excel is a pre-learned course. You just have to do on your own. Nothing much, only the AI part will be taken care here. Then SQL I'll be teaching you. Snowflake, Power BI, entire Power BI course, which will be taken care of by Karan. I think he will be joining or not. Let me see it here. Then we have a Tableau. Then we have a Python, MongoDB, Matillion, Alteryx, R programming, Wordscape, statistics, Azure, AWS, and even with GCP also, if time permits. That's why it's a very, very exhaustive 8-month course. Now, in order to land a job, those who are completely from the non-tech background, those who are watching me live, it may take you even an year. I'm not joking. It may take an year also to develop a successful data analytics career. But trust me, once you get a tag of that data analytics, your future is set. Every day, if you are entering into this field, today also I have to study. Every day you have to study. That's must. You cannot escape that. You have to study here every day. Getting my point? You have to study here every day, right? Because every day technology is changing. Right? Now you have a Matillion, DBT, MongoDB, everything. You don't know which technology your company might switch into. So if you have an understanding of all this tech stack, you will be able to learn any technology like a cakewalk. Getting my point? That's the reason I'm telling you to enroll. Those who have missed the previous batch of 15th August, you can go ahead and enroll in this batch. I'll start class from 4th January onwards, and we are commencing with Power BI. Right, we are commencing with Power BI. You will get an internship certificate also from my end, which you see written on the letter pad. You will get an AICTE recognized national internship portal, which recently my Analytics Anand got approved. You will get an internship certificate from here also. So anywhere, if you want to showcase your experience like 6 months or 5 months, you can show it easily. That is also valid, right? That is also valid. You get all this access to all this information. That's the reason I'm telling you. And I have called a few of my students also. They'll be sharing their insights also, right? So this is the entire job guarantee program, which I'm telling you, not only the job guarantee, any course you take it from here, any course, be it data engineering course. If you have master data analytics, if you want to enter into the data engineering, you can go ahead and enroll. If you just want to master Power BI, you can go ahead and enroll in Power BI or Snowflake or AWS or Azure, anything, you name it here, I will give you that course. Right? If you need any extra thing which is not here, if you want to master Alteryx also, that also you can master it. Everything it here. If you want to master Wordscape, so far I have not started, that also you can master it. Tableau is also there. Alteryx also we have not started yet. Right? Everything. Excel also. Matillion also, everything we have it here for you. All the top trending tool sets is here. Now, those who are very good with SQL, Python, Power BI, and wants to switch your data engineering course is also there for you. Data engineering course is also there for you. Right? Data engineering course is also there for you. So if you just want to master Python, go ahead and enroll in Python. I'm not telling you only to enroll in job guarantee program. Job guarantee program is only for those who wants to establish a successful career in the data analytics. If you're working in the hotel management, if you're working as a Swiggy Zomato delivery boy or girl, if you want to enter, if you have a passion or zeal to enter into the analytics industry, I am there to help you out. बाकी लोग का मैं कंपेयर नहीं कर रहा कि बाकी इंस्टीट्यूट क्या करती है, कैसे कोर्स बेचती है, मुझसे कोई लेना देना नहीं हमको उनसे. ठीक है, उनको अपना जेब भरना है, जो भी भरना है, XYZ. No, I'm here to build my brand. I'm here to build you. I'm investing on you. Only I'm asking is to you to study and follow blindly what I say. That's all I want from you all. Right? This is a totally a new batch for the simple. Yes. Yeah. Live class from scratch. Yes. Totally new batch. Right? Totally new batch from scratch, Swapnil. This is a totally new batch. So whatever the previous batch recordings you see, that so of course you are getting it. Suppose if I am, I already know SQL, but I want to revise SQL. But Power BI is going on live, right? But Power BI is going on live. So I can revise SQL from the previous section, right? I can revise SQL section from a previous session. You see it here, right? You see it here, SQL, MySQL, Snowflake. These all recordings, you will get it. If you want to be ahead in the class, these all recordings, you will get it. Now, I am good with basics of SQL, so I don't have to do from here. I can start from the advanced concept of CTA. Sir, my CT is not good. So you can start from CT itself here. So this is fully customizable based on you, on your needs. That's the beauty of this course. ऐसा नहीं है recorded videos है, टाटा बाय बाय देख लो चल जाएगा. नहीं, तभी तो ये नया बैच लेके आ रहा हूँ. क्यों लेके आ रहा हूँ? एग्जिस्टिंग बैच में मैं तुमको अगर वीडियो देखने बोल दूं ये 26 वीडियो, तो तुम थोड़ी देखोगे. Obviously, no one will watch. If I'm a student, I'm not going to watch all these 26 videos. No. Right? That's the reason I'm telling you. Again, a fresh batch is starting. So if you have missed 15th August wala batch, you can go ahead and enroll in this course. Yes, all the live recordings you will get. Last 2-year batch also. Everything you get. Right now, Python, how many sessions we have taken? I think Prachival is also there on the line. Total 31 sessions we have taken in Python. Imagine. So those who tell master data analytics in 3 months, possible ही नहीं है. हमने कब स्टार्ट किया था? ये देखो. कब स्टार्ट किया था प्राची ने पहला सेशन? 15 अगस्त 2024. और अभी हम कहां पहुंचे हैं? अभी भी 31 लेक्चर में ही है. तो इट्स अ टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस. सो यू हैव टू गिव दैट मच ऑफ टाइम. You have to give that much of time in order to do a successful transition as a data analyst. Now, who are all this here in the line? I think we have the David here. He was a part of the job guarantee program. He just cracked one data analytics job. I think, David, if you can turn on your camera and share on some lights, I'll ask him only. So I have called these folks also, right? They just have finished up their office works, and I have called them also. Yeah, David, over to you.
यस, थैंक यू सर इनवाइटिंग. मेरा नाम डेविड है. मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 2 ईयर कंप्लीट कर दिया डेटा एनालिस्ट के अंदर वाइल्डफॉक्स में. सो ये कोर्स लेने का मेन रीजन ये था कि मुझे मोस्ट ऑफ फेक कॉल्स आ रहे थे, जैसे कि पेरोल टाइप कंपनी. आफ्टर मैं पहुंच के बाद, मतलब मैं लास्ट राउंड पहुंच के बाद, फिर वो लोग डिस्क्वालीफाई कर रहे थे. डिस्क्वालीफाई इसके लिए कर रहे थे कि वो लोग किसी और को इंटर्न ही हायर कर रहे थे, और उसके कारण मुझे लीव लेना पड़ता है. ये सब करने के कारण ही मैंने जॉब गारंटी को प्रेफर किया. इसके अंदर मुझे एक ये बेनिफिट मिला कि मुझे अलग अलग कंपनी से इंटरव्यूज कॉल भी आए, और साथ में मुझे इंटरव्यूज किस हिसाब से होता है, क्या आंसर देना चाहिए, वो भी मेरे को इसमें सीखने मिला है. और इस कंपनी के अंदर मेरे क्लाउड का कुछ नहीं है. सब जो भी है लोकल सिस्टम के थ्रू मैं डेटा सब एक्सेस करता हूँ. बट अभी जहाँ मैं हायर हुआ वहाँ पे फुल्ली क्लाउड है. उनको जब मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया, वो फुल्ली एक्साइट हो गया. अरे यार, इसको इस कंपनी में यूज नहीं करता है, बट इसको नॉलेज है. वो कॉन्फिडेंस उसको लगा, और उनको एक्स्ट्रा प्रेफरेंस मुझे दिया.
Okay, that's good. And how does course has helped you? कोर्स के कंटेंट कैसे थे उनको बता दो, मतलब जो लोग ज्वाइन करना होगा, और वो कैसे हेल्प किया तुमको इंटरव्यू में. That's the most important part.
तो मैं यस, एसक्यूएल का बहुत जॉइंट्स का सबसे मोस्ट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन जो भी पूछा गया वो आप ही के लेक्चर में था. किस हिसाब से जॉइंट्स का, किस हिसाब से हमको आंसर देना है, कौन सा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. विंडो फंक्शन मोस्ट ऑफ पूछा था, और पाइथन का बेसिकली पूछा था, एंड पावर बीआई के डैक्स रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछे थे. और यहाँ पे जो भी वीडियो होगा पूरा बेसिक से लेके लाइव प्रोजेक्ट ही कराएंगे. 2 वर्षों का होगा पूरा. आपको बैठ के आपको खुद को भी करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा नहीं जॉब गारंटी में एनरोल कर लिया बाकी सर कर ले, सर जॉब दे देंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. तुम्हें साथ में करना ही पड़ेगा मेहनत, तो ही कुछ हो पाएगा.
एग्जैक्टली और जो अब डेविड इनको ये बताओ कि इट्स ए टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस, तुम्हारा भी जॉब तुरंत नहीं लग
यस
गया
सर,
है, इट्स ए टाइम
मुझे
टेकिंग
बहुत
प्रोसेस।
टाइम लगा,
हाँ
बहुत ही टाइम लगा सर, इजीली नहीं मिला, बहुत ही टाइम लगा इसमें।
हाँ, टाइम लगता है बिकॉज इट्स अ टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस, बिकॉज कोर्स ही इतना एडवांस है, एग्जॉस्टिव है, तो इसीलिए। रक्षित भी है, आई थिंक रक्षित इज आवर फैकल्टी फ्रॉम AWS। ओवर टू यू रक्षित। थैंक्स डेविड, थैंक्स अ लॉट। या
Yeah, hey guys.
Rakshit, I have one just question. How AWS is important in the current market? What is your analysis if you see from the data analytics or data engineering point of view? Yeah.
Yeah. So actually the thing is like if we talk about current market without
Hmm.
cloud, we are nothing. Okay. One person is nothing.
Exactly.
Basically, it is like a historical thing we can say like in previously we used to have big computer supercomputer which only a small set of company can afford. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So they set up their own big computers to do their processing stuff. But
Mm-hmm.
now day by day, for single Instagram, Facebook, even
Mm-hmm.
Zoom, everyone is consuming a lot of data, they are having like billions of
Mm-hmm.
trillions of data every day. And to process those data, no one can afford this big computer. So that's why cloud came into picture. So AWS tell us that okay, so we will buy our own data center. You just rent us. So that's why now every single startup which is like coming or which is like going to come are preferring cloud only. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why now cloud is very important. And even if we go with AWS, GCP or Azure, you can take any of those cloud. But why AWS? Because in the current scenario, 80% of market share is of AWS.
Exactly.
Rest
Exactly. Mm-hmm.
20 and rest like 20% is like kind of taken by Azure and GCP.
Same
So
we have
that's
for Power BI Tableau. 80% of the market, I think, has moved towards Power BI. Very few companies who are using Tableau.
yeah. So because of that, I think one should start with AWS also, and it is very good, like easy to understand and use also. Like if I compare the uh, proper interface of other clouds like GCP or Azure, I prefer mostly AWS because it has very easy to understand and good interface as well.
Exactly. Any prerequisite is required to learn this AWS? Does the candidate have to know basic of SQL and Python, or anyone
Yes,
can learn that?
yes, definitely. See, if you are working on any such cloud, if you are handling something,
Uh,
because see, without the proper knowledge of SQL and Python, you will just like blindly go to any service and you don't understand why we
exactly.
are using this service,
Mm-hmm.
right? What is the
Mm-hmm.
use of this
Mm-hmm.
service,
Mm-hmm.
right? Why? Like for example, even though you're like using Chat GPT or something, you just got any job, but
Mm-hmm.
without the proper knowledge of the service, everyone will just lay you off.
Okay. Okay. Okay, great. And tell me, if I'm applying for a Power BI developer or a data analyst or a senior data analyst position where the job description says just SQL, Python, and Power BI. But if I have an additional tool, say for example AWS, so how you stand out of this, out of the box? So definitely your portfolio gets increased over there, visibility increased to the recruiter that this guy knows AWS also. So definitely that particular person will have a huge weightage, I think, over other candidate. Yeah, if you have any extra skills added to your resume.
Definitely. E- even if you just write AWS in your portfolio now, more even like see, currently most of the company are using ATS kind of software to shortlist your resume, right?
Right.
And if you don't have such skills in your resume, they will not even look at your resume, right? But if
Exactly.
you have like if you have AWS kind of knowledge, any other cloud platform, you have any AWS certification with you, right? Like company will definitely even shortlist your resume, plus they will see a lot of things. Okay, you are someone who can bring benefit to our business, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that makes everyone that individual a good choice,
Okay,
right?
and we have just started with AWS. I think Rakshit and other Webhub, we just started with the AWS. So those will be joining as a part of job guarantee program or data analytics, data engineering. You have not missed much. Just hardly 3-4 classes basics we have done so far. So I would say don't delay now and go ahead and enroll in any of the courses, whichever you wanted to, join it. Thanks, Dakshi. Thanks for the input. Yeah. Then we have our in-house trainer, Prachi.
Hi everyone. Hi Anand.
Hi,
So,
I'm not able to see you. Just hold on. Do you turn on your camera, I
uh,
guess?
no, sorry. I am just come back from my job, so I was
No
like,
worries. So Prachi, I'm
yeah,
sharing my screen. Tell me why Python is important in the current world.
yeah,
Why not just with SQL and Power BI, I can be a good data analyst. Why in every company, in
absolutely.
every JD job description, I see Python is optional or Python is mandatory.
Yeah. So nowadays, without Python, you cannot go for in data engineering in terms of data analysis also Python is required. Like let's suppose if the job description says you need a knowledge of PySpark, right? But if you don't know Python, how you know about PySpark? Because
Exactly.
it is again a part of Python. It is again a library of Python. If you are working on AWS, right?
Mm-hmm.
So or let's suppose you are working on Azure, or someone get a requirement with that you have to create a function using a Python, and you have to trigger, you have to utilize the function of Azure, right? So there is like without Python, how come you write that function? It is
Ex-
really not possible. So let's you need a knowledge of uh, your cloud technology as well. You need a knowledge of Python as well. So if you don't have a knowledge of basic Python, it is really not possible to utilize the libraries of Python. Like you are using pandas, you are using NumPy. We have a visualization libraries, Matplotlib, Seaborn. If comes with the Python libraries, not libraries. I mean the what to say? I just forget the word.
no
But
worries.
yeah, I'll just come back and just so sorry about that.
No worries.
And yeah. So in terms of AWS as well, if let's suppose that you have a task to copying the files or anything you have, you need Python. You always need Python. In terms of if you already only know the Power BI or the SQL, but what if like in terms of visualization, sometimes there is like size of data is big.
Hmm.
So how would you handle that using a Power BI?
Exactly. And how much
So
time does it take on an average? Let's talk about for a non-tech student. Let's not talk about as technical student. Say, for example, if I am a non-tech student or you are a non-tech student, how much time on an average it will take for anyone to learn Python so that they can survive in the industry, they can crack any data analytics job, and they can work on any task if given a task. So on an average, how much time does it take?
So, as per me, it will like mostly if you are working professional or if you are comes with a, like
Mm-hmm.
zero knowledge of Python. So, as per me, it will most max take like 4 months.
Mm-hmm.
If I am saying about this, like including all the libraries and all, okay. So, if you are practicing along with the lectures and working with like if I'm doing, you are doing with me,
Mm-hmm.
so it will hardly take 4 months. Hardly.
Okay. Okay. So 4 months for this, 4 months for SQL, 3 months for Power BI. That's why I have
And
told them on an average it takes 8 months minimum to be a good data analyst. It's not like a rocket science where you can master data analytics in 3 months. No one can make you
yeah,
that. If anyone is making you in 3 months make data analytics, he is fooling around you. He or she, whosoever it is. ओपनली आई एम
yes,
सेइंग दिस. हाँ, कोई नहीं बना सकता तुमको. तुम कितने महारत क्यों ना हो, कितने ब्रिलियंट भी क्यों ना हो, कोई नहीं बना सकता तुमको 3 महीने में डेटा एनालिटिक्स. इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. हाँ, पॉसिबल कब है? तुमने 8 साल आईटी सेक्टर में बिताया, तुम टेक्निकल बंदे हो, तब बन सकते हो भाई. ऑफ कोर्स अगर तुम पे है, तुमको आता है जावा, तुमको आता है सीक्वल, तुमको पाइथन पहले से ही नॉलेज है, देन इट्स ए केक वॉक फॉर यू. बट आई एम टेलिंग टू दोज who are completely new to this technology, who are completely unaware what data analytics is, who don't know anything XYZ, SQL का S भी नहीं पता, Python का P नहीं पता, उनको 8 months लगेगा ही लगेगा, subject to the constraint if you devote 1 to 2 hours every day. यहाँ टर्म्स एंड
yes,
कंडीशन भी है, वरना वो 1 साल भी जा सकता है, वो 1.5 साल भी जा सकता है. डिपेंड्स.
It takes time,
हाँ
but you have to always like follow the path and you have to keep patience. That's the main key, and you will achieve your goal. Absolutely, I can say that. Because I
yeah
saw lots of people even in our batch, like in our last batch, I saw lots of people who are like working as well, and who are giving their time to learning those technology, and they are able to switch their job successfully.
exactly. Right. Almost it's a, like a, it's a time taking process. If you sum it up, it's just a time taking process. That too, if you are working really hard, if you are following whatever me, Prachi, Karan, any XYZ, whosoever is the faculty, Rakshit, you just saw, if you are covering all in parallel. अब लोग क्या करते हैं कि सीक्वल कर लिया पूरा प्रैक्टिस, पाइथन छुआ ही नहीं, तो वो नहीं करना है। आप 11th 12th में आप कैसे पढ़ाई करते थे? खाली फिजिक्स करने से हो जाता था? नहीं ना, आपको केमिस्ट्री भी करना है, आपको मैथ्स भी तो करना है ना, है कि नहीं? तभी तो आप पास करोगे, तभी तो अच्छा गुड ग्रेड्स आएगा। कि सिर्फ मैथ्स अच्छा कर लिया, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री नीचे कर लिया, राइट? सो इट्स नॉट हैपन इन दैट वे। आपको तीनों पैरेलल में लेके चलना है, सीक्वल भी, पाइथन भी, पावर बीआई भी, और कभी कभी एडब्ल्यूएस भी। सब पैरेलल में लेके आपको चलना पड़ेगा। आपको हार्ड वर्क तो करना ही करना है, आपको स्मार्ट वर्क भी करना है साथ साथ। आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते सिर्फ सीक्वल कर लिए, बस सीक्वल में हो गया सर, अब मैं पावर बीआई करूंगा। नहीं, ये बहुत ज्यादातर लोग गलती कर रहे हैं अभी डेटा एनालिटिक्स पे। ये एकदम गलत तरीका है कि सर पहले सीक्वल मास्टर करेंगे। अरे जब पाइथन मास्टर करने जाओगे तो सीक्वल पूरा दिमाग से निकल चुका होगा। यही होता था ना। ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी क्या है कि मैथ्स पूरा कर लिए सर, स्ट्रांग हो गया मेरा मैथ, फिजिक्स गोल हो गया। फिजिक्स स्ट्रांग करने गए तो मैथ्स जीरो हो गया सर, फिजिक्स प्रैक्टिस किए तो मैथ्स भूल गए। यही तो होता है ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी। तो सब पैरेलल में करना है। जैसे 1 घंटा सीक्वल पढ़े तो 1 घंटा पाइथन पढ़े, फिर 1 घंटा पावर बीआई पढ़े, 3 घंटा। अगर मेरे को 1 ही घंटा मिल रहा है तो 20 मिनट सीक्वल, 20 मिनट पाइथन, 20 मिनट पावर बीआई, अब 20 मिनट एडब्ल्यूएस। तो तुमको वैसे ही मैप करना पड़ेगा, वो हम सिखाएंगे। दैट्स माई जॉब टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड। गेटिंग माई पॉइंट, राइट? तो सीक्वल पाइथन तो करना ही करना है, और पावर बीआई तो है। पावर बीआई इज प्रीटी इजी। पावर बीआई यू डोंट हैव टू जगल दैट मच, ओनली डैक्स इज द मेन एरिया। अगर तुम्हारा सीक्वल और पाइथन पे कमांड है तो तुमको पावर बीआई में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा, राइट? करेक्ट। So that's all. Okay, Prachi, you can carry on. Thanks for joining in. I think she just came from
Thank
office.
you
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much.
No worries. David, you can also walk off. It's fine. Carry on. You both have just came from the job, right? So I'm asking one of my more students to come. Let's see if he can join it. Uh, 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 uh. So what I was saying, so this new batch which is commencing from your 4th January 2025 onwards, so you can go ahead and check out the entire syllabus which I am showcasing out on the screen. Also for the data, I'll show you the syllabus for the data engineering, also what we have in the data engineering side also. Now Snowflake also I'll discuss, everything I'll discuss. Now in the data engineering segment, those who are very good with SQL Python, the data engineering is the course for you all. This commences at night, 7 to 9 and 9 to 11. 7 to 9 will be your AWS and 9 to 11 will be your Matillion. So you have Snowflake, Python, Matillion. PySpark I am not taught. So PySpark will be coming soon. I think trainer is not available. MongoDB you have, Alteryx you have, Verscape you have, Azure you have. Azure previous batch recordings you will get. We are not teaching it here Azure. Only AWS will be teaching it here, right? And not GCP also. GCP later on further down the line. So you have AWS, Azure previous batch recordings, Verscape you have, Alteryx you have, MongoDB you have, PySpark you have, Matillion you have, Python, Snowflake, and DBT also I'm planning to include it here, which is quite trending in the current market. Snowflake and Matillion and Snowflake and DBT is quite the buzzword here. Now, those who have mastered SQL and Python, right? If you want to master just the Snowflake, right, including architect level mastery, you can go ahead and enroll in this master Snowflake, which will be commencing from your 11th January onwards, from morning 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. because full Saturday, Sunday is jam-packed. So you can go ahead, apply the coupon, right? And you'll get very, very affordable cost. You are getting 4,170. And if you see the syllabus, I'll show you the syllabus, what all I'm gonna teach you here. Apart from the Snowflake YouTube playlist, which you see here, you will get entire architect level का knowledge. ये देखो, दिख रहा है क्या क्या चीज है इसमें, सो दैट यू कैन क्रैक बोथ Snowflake core and both Snowflake architect level certification. Sara kuch. Already these things have discussed in lecture number 34 and 39. I have discussed this. Lab ingest CSV from S3 to Snowflake, lecture number 34. Lecture number 39. Already this is there on my playlist, but few are the advanced concept. If you just master Snowflake, you can master this. But for this, your SQL and Python is a prerequisite, right? You should only go with this course when you have 2 years of experience in SQL and Python. Minimum, you know ABCD of SQL and Python. Then this Mastering Snowflake course is there for you all. Basically, those who are in the data analytics industry, those who have worked for Snowflake for quite a long time. Now, if you want to master the Snowflake tool, till the data architect level, cracking down the certification, this is the course for you all. Even from the previous batch, existing batch, those who just wants to focus on the Snowflake, you can go ahead and enroll in this course, right? So this is all about the courses which we are launching it now in the coming new year, right? So this coupon code is valid for, I think, next 2 weeks down the line till I think 10th January it is valid. So you can go ahead and enroll in any of these courses. Now, those who are from the non-tech background, right? Data Analytics Job Guarantee Program is the course which you should opt for. Apply the coupon code and apply your money back guarantee if you want. If you don't want to opt, you can reduce it, right? Choice is yours. Validity here is 15 days. If 15 days you don't like it, you get the money back. And within 6 months of the course completion, once your course gets completed, if you don't get the 6 months, this entire amount, you take it back. Everything I'm giving it for you, right? Everything is there for you. I'm getting nothing in return, right? So that's the reason these all courses are here for you all. So grab this, spread the word. Any member of your family, any of your friends, those who are struggling. I see people working in 15,000, 16,000, hard time going 40 kilometer, 30 kilometer. Why? क्यों waste कर रहे हो अपना energy? Right? क्यों waste कर रहे हो अपना energy? Why can't you do one thing? Why can't you take certain gap from your career? 3 से 4 महीने. Already मैं तुमको experience letter दे ही दूंगा. Right? I will give you an internship certificate and all those things. So anyhow 3 to 4 months तुम्हारा count हो ही जाएगा. वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ. जब किसी कंपनी के लिए 10-12 घंटा काम करके 17 से 15 हजार रुपए मिले तो ये वर्थ है. क्यों अपना जिंदगी बर्बाद कर रहे हो, राइट? आई एम नॉट इन दैट फेवर. एटलीस्ट मिनिमम इन द करंट मार्केट, अगर किसी को जो एवरेज सैलरी मिलना चाहिए आज के डेट में, जो मिनिमम सैलरी है वो 40,000 है. इन्फ्लेशन कहां से कहां हिट कर दिया. यू नो, इन मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी इफ यू आर अर्निंग 1 लाख ऑफ रुपीज, यू आर कंसिडर्ड एज अ पुअर. ठीक है, यू आर नॉट इन द मार्केट, यू आर बिलो मिडिल क्लास. अगर 1 लाख अर्न कर रहे हो उससे कम तो यू आर बिलो मिडिल क्लास. तो 15,000 20,000 में काम करके मार्केट मत खराब करो. चाय वाला से ज्यादा कमाता है यार. कम ऑन, देख रहे हो ना डॉली चाय वाला को कहां से कहां पहुंच गया वो. फिर तो चाय का दुकान खोल लो, नॉर्मल शॉप खोल लो. जब 15,000 में ही काम करना है तो डोंट वेस्ट योर एनर्जी फॉर एनी कंपनी हु स्लॉग यू फॉर आवर्स एंड यू गेट नथिंग इन रिटर्न. आई रियली फील पिटी फॉर ऑल दोज पीपल, right? I really feel pity for all those people. Those days are gone. अब वो दिन नहीं है जब आराम से जॉब मिल जाता था. प्री कोविड में गए, वॉक इन हुआ, आराम से गए, जॉब ले लिए. नहीं है अब वो सिचुएशन. अब सिचुएशन कोविड के बाद बदल गया है. यू नीड टू गो थ्रू लॉट ऑफ रेफरेंसेस. इसीलिए इतने कंसल्टेंट मेरे जेब में है. इतने कंसल्टेंट के पास तुम्हारा प्रोफाइल पुश होता है. मैं खुद पर्सनली बात करता हूं, राइट? करेक्ट. तुम मेरा ईमेल आईडी यूज कर सकते हो सीसी में, राइट? बिकॉज यू आर माई स्टूडेंट, आई विल प्लेस यू. मैं कमेंट करता हूं, तुम लिंक्डइन पे देखो मेरा कमेंट. लेट्स ट्राई फ्रॉम फोक्स फ्रॉम एनालिटिक्स विद आनंद. मेरा काम है जॉब लगाना, तुम्हारा काम है सिर्फ पढ़ाई करना. और मैं जब बोल रहा हूं पढ़ाई करना, यू लिटरली हैव टू वर्क रियली रियली हार्ड. कभी कभी ये भी मन करेगा कोर्स बीच में छोड़ के भाग जाए, मन करेगा, क्योंकि कोर्स है ही इतना एग्जॉस्टिव, इतना चीज सिखा देता. आज मेहनत कर लोगे, नेक्स्ट 5 साल सोचना नहीं है. इतना कुछ सीख के जाओगे. और ये ऊपर ऊपर सिखाता नहीं हूं मैं, पूरा अंदर डेप्थ में, राइट? इससे बेस्ट कोर्स तुमको नहीं मिलने वाला है पूरी दुनिया में, मैं इसकी गारंटी देता हूं. कोई अगर फाउंडर तुमसे बात कर ले, कोई अगर फाउंडर, ठीक है, कोई बड़ा बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूट का फाउंडर बात कर ले तुमसे, तो मेरा नाम बदल देना. कोई नहीं बात करेगा तुमसे. सब सेल्स वाले बंदे बात करके कोर्स बेच के निकल जाते हैं. दैट्स द हार्ड रियलिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन सेक्टर नाउअडेज. सबको 3-3 महीने 2-2 महीने पे कोर्स बस लॉन्च करना और टाटा बाय बाय. मैं अभी लेके आया ना डेविड, अभी लेके आया ना, तुम देखते हो जनरली कोई पोस्ट डालता हूं मैं, किसको क्या जॉब लगा नहीं डालता हूं, क्योंकि रिक्वेस्ट पे है, उनको भी टाइम नहीं मिलता है। अभी एक और बंदा था रोनू मोंदीप, कनाडा की कंपनी उसको लेके गई है 22 लाख पैकेज पे, राइट। तो जो जैसा मेहनत करेगा सब अपना कंपनी में काम कर ही रहे, मेरा काम है जॉब लगा देना बस। और उसके बाद वो क्या कर रहे हैं, एक्सेल कर रहे हैं, बहुत बढ़िया, राइट। All I'm here to help you out. All you have to do, if you have a will, if you have a courage to work out, this place is there for you. और डेटा एनालिटिक्स से अभी बेस्ट करियर कुछ नहीं है, और कुछ नहीं है। तुमको बस बेसिक ग्रेजुएशन चाहिए। All I'm asking is just a basic graduation and you are set for your entire career. You are set for your entire career. Getting my point? You are set for your entire career. That's the reason I'm telling you. Right? That's the reason I'm telling you. So go ahead and enroll in this course. This is very, very important for all of you. Right? You can enroll from the app also. You can enroll from the browser also. You can enroll from the browser also. Right? You need to know ETL tool, you need to know SQL, you need to know Python, you need to know Power BI. आजकल सब टूल चाहिए होता है, जॉब ऐसे नहीं मिलता है, सिर्फ पावर बीआई के बेसिस पे जॉब नहीं मिलेगा। तुमको ETL टूल भी आना चाहिए। तुमको पूछेगा कि पावर बीआई में कुछ ऑटोमेशन किया हुआ पाइथन स्क्रिप्ट से, बोलेगा नहीं, खत्म कहानी। सिर्फ डैक्स सीखने से नहीं होता है चीजें। हाउ यू कैन इंटीग्रेट योर पाइथन, बहुत कुछ चीजें आजकल आने हैं, राइट। थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड अ लॉट. A lot. When I say things have changed a lot, right? Things have changed a lot. Now I am showing you, let me share my screen. I am showing you how you can enroll from the app directly. You can go to Analytics with Anand app and I'll show you how you can enroll directly from the app. Let me show you clearly. 1 second. Let's see here. Yeah. This is how you can enroll from the app. Let me show you. See this. So those who are have Android phone, you can install the Analytics with Anand app. Those who have an iOS or iPhone, you can install the Class Plus app. So you can go it here, download the app. You can go it here. You see all the courses, right? Apply the coupon code, which you see right on your screen, New Year 10, and the cost will automatically come down. Now, if you click on buy now, you will have an option of money back guarantee. Like you book on the flight ticket if you're not sure of the travel plan, and you can add it. This is option. Either you can opt for it or you can uncheck it. Now you have all the payments. You have the card payments, credit card payment, wallet payment, everything is integrated. You want to buy the course on EMI, you can go ahead, net banking, wallet, pay later, everything, all the information is there on the screen. You can easily buy from the app, any course which you wanted. Right? Whichever course has price more than 7,000, you can also buy it on installment without any interest. There's no interest. Only thing is you won't be able to apply the coupon code. Right? So those who wants to enroll in any of the courses, job guarantee program or without job guarantee, master data analytics version 2.0 or data engineering, you can apply the coupon code and you can save your hard-earned money. ठीक है, मैं सारे कुछ बता रहा हूं तुमको. So you can go this thing and you can see how the interface looks, right? Even for the Master Data Analytics version 2.0. There's no difference between Job Guarantee and Master Data Analytics version 2.0 with respect to syllabus. Both are same. Only that is the Job Guarantee. There's no job. Because if you're already into the IT industry, if you want to learn analytics 2-3 years down the line, you have the experience and you just want to switch your domain, this is the course for you all. Right? So every course is there. If you want to master AWS, this is the course for you all in the app. So everything I'm showing it to you, all the courses which will be seen easily in the app, you can go ahead and you can easily buy from there. Right? In the description of this video, later down the line, those who will be watching us live, you can file the link directly to the app and directly to the website also, which will take you directly to the course. So you can go and you can buy this. So go ahead, enroll in from the app or enroll from the website. There are certain free videos for you to go through it. How Prachi is teaching, how I am teaching, how AWS trainer is teaching. Now, this is the data engineering course, which you see, you are getting it in 8,000 rupees. So any course, if you want to buy, everything we are starting from scratch from January onwards, right? So you can go ahead and enroll. Syllabus wise, also I have posted it there. You can go and check. Running tight on budget, buy this course in 3 installments. See this. So if you have a tight budget, installment is there also. So everything is here integrated. Now, if you have any doubt, any concern, you have my LinkedIn, you have my email ID, info@analyticswithanand.in. You have my phone number, both my personal and official number. So everything you have it here. So feel free to call me anytime you would like to talk to me. Right? Anytime you like to talk to me. This entire syllabus, everything I have given in the description of the videos. Right? Not only your the job guarantee, here we'll have a LinkedIn session also, how your LinkedIn profile has to be, how it has to be highly professional, right? How your resume has to be, everything is there. Your entire job headache is on me. Only your headache is to study. और कहीं से resources refer नहीं करना है. Not even a single resource from anywhere you need to refer it. Whatever I'm giving you is more than enough. Even the interviewer won't ask you beyond that, right? Even the interviewer won't ask you beyond that. Getting my point? So that's why I'm telling you, go ahead and explore all these courses. Those who are watching me live now, or those who will be watching these recordings later on down the line, and feel free to enroll in any of the courses. If you have any confusion, if you want to talk to me directly, because there is no salesperson involved here. Did you see ever any salesperson any time down the line in the last 2 years calling you for any courses? No, nobody will call you except me. I'm the only one, which no other founder will do that. Right? So that's the trust. And go ahead. Even if you don't want to enroll in any course, just go ahead and subscribe to Analytics Anand channel and refer the Snowflake playlist. All I'm asking is refer the Snowflake playlist. That is very important for you. Many people have landed a successful job just from the this one, just from the Snowflake playlist, because Snowflake these days is must, right? Without cloud, you cannot expect. These are my student testimonial from the last batch. So without this Snowflake playlist, it's not possible in the current market. All the 42 videos are there. So this is a very good start. Also, if you want to think, if you want to have some time, take some time in order to enroll, start going through these videos. Start going through these videos, because these are very important for your job interview. These are very important for your job interview, right? So go ahead. Sir, after this as a data engineer, I can apply as senior. Yes, of course. Now, any of this course which you see, this is not the basic level course. This is the architect level course. Even the data engineer, you can go ahead and simply apply for a senior data engineer role. Any company, if you have that much of experience, of course. If you have 2 years, 3 years, any IT experience, I will convert directly. I think Satyam couldn't able to join. Entire experience of Power BI. If you have 3 years experience, that's the beauty USP of this course. If you have 3 years experience or 2 years experience in Power BI, entire experience will be counted as a ETL developer. Entire experience I can make is as a data engineer. That's the beauty. That much knowledge you get here from AWS, from Matillion, from DBT, Wordscape, Rate, Alteryx, be it XYZ. Because everything which is being taught here is in extreme depth. Getting my point? It's in extreme depth. Be it Snowflake, be it Matillion. Matillion also, you see how many things are here. Right? Everything we teach here from the complete scratch till the advanced level. And this time we have integrated AI also, Copilot. Right? So go through the syllabus, and anytime if you are stuck, feel free to call me. Before enrollment, if you want to call me, if you want to have a word with me, floor is open for you all. You get an internship certificate also, which you see it here. Right? You get this internship certificate also. Right? You get this internship certificate directly on the letter pad. Right? Everything. All these things you get as a part of job guarantee program. Everything. You can watch these demo videos also. Right? You can watch these demo videos also. So this was all about of all the courses. Wishing everyone a very Merry Christmas and upcoming Happy New Year. Right? So go ahead and enroll. Till time is there. Take a time. Think. And if you want to discuss, if you don't know which career to choose for, blindly, data analytics is the course for you all. Beyond this, there's no other course in the market apart from data analytics. And trust me, pay packet salary, do not bother about that. You will get placed really good. It's just a matter of few years of experience. You will shoot like anything. So if you're struggling in your current job, I would say, think over switching it to the data analytics role. I am there. If you are very fear of if you're not fond of coding, leave that on me. I'll make that fear from your mind. Sab mere pe chhod do. All I'm asking you, devote 8 months of your time, right? If you devote strictly 8 months of time, job will be yours. All the cloud knowledge, all the AI knowledge, everything we are here to provide you not only the data analytics, even in the data engineering. And if you would like to bring me any new course also, which you don't see it here, do recommend me, right? Do recommend me. Floor is open for you all. So that's all from my side. I don't want to grab it, drag it more detail. I just wanted to keep it for 1 hour so that everyone can be a part of this journey. And this is the course which I would say everyone to go ahead. If anyone has any doubt, feel free to post in the chat, right? And I'll be happy to take your concern. Even after, if you're watching this video later down the line, you can comment on the video itself, right? Anyone has any concern? Vijay, though it's from my previous batch. I know him. Abhishek Kumar, sir, after this as a data engineer, I can apply senior level. I told you already. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Anyone has any concern or looks good to you all so that we can wrap up this session, and do subscribe to this channel. I'll try often to come because it takes a lot of time, office, then prepare a content, because my channel is all about the live. I don't record any video and post it there. That's a very, very kiddish thing to just record video and post it there. No, everything, when you code it live, things are in a different scenario. Things are in a different scenario. Abhinash Pada, Snowflake course. Snowflake course is commencing from 11th January onwards. 11th January onwards. Both Snowflake Core and Snowflake Advanced. Architect level. Both. And the timing will be 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Saturday and Sunday morning. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Right. For that prerequisite, you should be having a basic knowledge of SQL and Python. That's it. That's all I need. Just the basic knowledge, because anyhow I'll be teaching Snowflake completely. How to write Snowflake, how to write Python script, how to write SQL script, how to write JavaScript script, everything I'll teach you in and out. Right from the basic architecture till the Kafka level, till your data pipeline and everything. Right? Syllabus, you can go through it. Abhinash. Right? So that's all from my side. Any more questions you have, guys? And do subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed to it. And even if you don't want to enroll in any of this course, spread the word, spread the message. Let people know what are the good things we here at Analytics Anand, we are doing it. Can you please share the course curriculum for Snowflake? Yes, yes, sir. I'm sharing my screen. One second. I'm sharing my screen. Have a look here. It's in the chat. It's in the chat. If you see the description of this video, it's in the chat. I'll show you. Here the curriculum. Entire curriculum. So you have the Snowflake basic. You have all the Snowflake basics. The basic which you see on my YouTube playlist. Everything you have. Here also integration I have with Kafka, Matillion, and Python. I will teach you this also. Building dynamic dashboard using Snowflake data. That also will come in. Connecting Snowflake with Tableau, Power BI, and Looker. Right? All these basics, that basic will help you in cracking down, Abhinash, your Snowflake core certification. Here comes the most important, the advanced one. Right? The advanced one. All the advanced things are here. Entire syllabus. You compare this syllabus with any Udemy course, any XYZ course, you won't get it. Right? Because this is entirely created by me. You won't get it. Performance tuning, business continuity, advanced security, compliance, cost optimization, data pipeline integration, change data capture, performing tuning, everything, all the advanced concept, be it Kafka connector, how you can set it up, everything is here. Now, this entire syllabus and everything is there in the description of this live video, which is happening now, Avinash. You can go and check it out. I have given that, right? I have given that. Also, I'll paste it in the chat. If you want, I can paste it in the chat for you. I'll paste it in the chat for you. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, here is the Snowflake one. Okay. So entire documentation, I've given it to you. Any more doubt if you have? This is commencing from 11th January, second week of January, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., Saturday, Sunday, 2 hours. Every class which happens here is of 2 hours, Saturday, Sunday. What is the price? Any discount? Yeah. Too much of discount. Price is very, very nominal. I'll show you. I think you missed that part. No worries. So go back here. 4,500. Coupon applied New Year. Yes, New Year apply the coupon. 10% off. So you get only in 4,000 rupees. Only. That too, all the live session. There's no recorded session. With this price, you won't get on Udemy or anywhere else. Right, Avinash? All the live session. Right? So this is the first time I'm bringing this up. Apart from what you see on my YouTube playlist. In addition to that, all the advanced core concept, you get it here. Now, this playlist is there for everyone, right? Apart from this, whatever you see, this also I'll be teaching you. Not only this, all these 42 videos also I'll be teaching you live. Along with that, you also get the advanced concept. Push down in Spark 3.1, how you can start with UDF, lab deploy Python, stored procedure for ETL batch processing, how you can do incremental loading. Everything will be discussed here. Even the Kafka, right? All those sections will be discussed in great detail. So this you can go ahead and you can enroll. Any more doubt anyone is having? Spread the word, guys. I want all of you. Now, the last thing which I didn't tell you. If anyone of you recommend this job guarantee program, which was the most important thing which I think I missed to answer it. If you recommend this job guarantee program, 3,000 rupees is yours. Directly 3,000 is yours. If you refer one candidate, 3,000 is yours. Two candidates, 6,000 is yours. So you can enjoy the New Year party. Okay, straight 3,000 is yours from my side. Right? Just one referral and 3,000 is yours. Without doing anything. Right? So you can all can be out. Not only this, any course if you sell it from here, any course if you recommend anyone, straight 10% is yours. The reason I'm saying 3%, 3,000 here, because if you apply the coupon code, it comes average to 3,100. That's why I'm telling you. Any course which you recommend to any of your friend, family member or relative, straight 10% is yours. Say 4,000 rupees, 400 is yours. 12,000, 1,200 is yours. Right? 34,000, 3,400 is yours. Any course which you recommended here. Straight 10%. Right? Any real-time projects, production, all are real-time projects only. If you see it here, I think, Avinash, you have not seen my playlist. That's the reason. Anything which you see at Analytics with Anand, all are production related also. You have not seen lecture number 39. This is the entire from my previous company, the previous project, which I did it for one of the client. Entire, how do you parse same JSON data from an S3 bucket? How do you load it? And how directly it gets loaded automatically. How you can parse a specific column if client wanted in the form of column. All are production oriented. So go ahead and watch few of this. Right? So Snowflake playlist, go ahead, Avinash, I would say. Go ahead and watch few of my videos. In the Snowflake playlist, you'll get to know exactly what are the things we do it here at Analytics with Anand. Okay? Straight 3,000 is yours if you refer any candidate for the job guarantee program. Right? Any program, not only the job guarantee, any course, if you refer, 10% is yours. 10% is yours. 12,000, 1,200 is yours. 34,000, 3,400 is yours. Okay? That's the beauty, which no other platform can give you. Right? So you can earn also pretty well here. Suppose you sold 10 courses here. You get 30, 40,000 directly from here. Directly from here. It all depends on you. Right? So basically, another way, it's like a freelancing job. I'm giving it to you. It's open to all. Those who are hearing me. Anywhere, if you are anywhere in the world, you refer one candidate, whatever the course fees, that 10% is yours, irrespective of any course. Be it job guarantee, be it master data analytics, be it data engineering, Snowflake, anything is yours. So hardly I'm left with nothing. Right? I'm here to help you all. I'm here to create a very, very great data analytics, data engineering community. So that if you go into any company, it will be a cakewalk. 10 hours of work you can do with like a flip of this within 1 hour. I'm asking in your upcoming Snowflake course, how many production-oriented real-time use case projects are there? End-to-end, not only just Snowflake. I will connect with Matillion. So end-to-end project, you will see it. I'll show you. End-to-end project, you will see it. In culmination with Snowflake, in culmination with Power BI, in culmination. There are a lot of projects which will happen. 5 to 6, more than that. All are production-oriented. Nothing like that. Nothing comes here like a baby project here. If you see it here, just with this project, I will show you. Just with this project, many people have landed a job, which no one in the industry have done so far. This is my own creation, right? This is not like a copy paste from anywhere. I'll show you. If you just enter this project, if you just mention this project in your portfolio, many people have got the job. I'll show you the real case example here of Subhajit Ghosh, how he had got a job, a data analytics, just by mentioning the project, right? End to end. That is end to end. Within a cakewalk, the moment client uploads the data, your entire Power BI results, entire Power BI pipeline, everything gets ready. This was the guy who did it. Nicely he has done. Nicely he has done, and the recruiter was very impressed, and he has got a very, very good job. See, this entire step he has mentioned, right? Entire steps he has mentioned. This is our own creation. This is the own creation of this entire Power BI report. At the back end, you will create a pipeline. At the back end, you will write the UDF. At the back end, you will write the stored procedure. Everything you will write at the back end. So your pipeline, your AWS, your SQL, Python, everything comes handy here. Right? Everything else comes handy. So it's an end-to-end project, I'm saying. Right? It's an end-to-end project, which I'm saying it, Avinash. So go ahead. I would recommend to go ahead and go through this playlist. Okay? And go ahead to the place. I think Satyam has joined. Quickly. I'll showcase some light. Avinash, be on the line. I think Satyam is there down the line. Let me see if we can hear me. Let's see. He's joining. So he was the guy who stayed with me from the last 2 years. He did 2-3 years in Power BI, and successfully he's now a Matillion ETL developer. He will tell you how Matillion is important in the current world and how your existing Power BI experience, your data visualization experience, you can make it count as a data engineer. And no one will be able to get to know anything about that because I teach you in that great depth. Got my point? Because I am teaching you with that great depth. Okay, I'm teaching you with that great depth and that much of knowledge so that you can ace any, you can convert your data analytics interview into a data engineering interview easily. Easily, if you work hard along with me, because these all courses are advanced level course, not the basic level course. Over to you, Satyam. He's there down the line. See, he's there in the office. He's working the night shift, I think. Right. So he was the guy. I know him from the last 2-3 years down the line. He worked really hard, joined as a Power BI developer in the Dr. Reddy's laboratory, and now he's working as a Matillion developer, as a data engineer. Imagine. So he will talk about the transition and how Matillion, just with the help of Matillion course and with all the courses which you see at Analytics Tanan, how he has done a transition. Over to you, Satyam. I think we can't hear you. No. You're on mute. You're on mute.
Sorry for that. I just late because right now I'm in my office and I'm in a meeting.
No worries. We'll take just 5 minutes of yours. Yeah. So that you can
Okay.
tell everyone.
Okay. So like if you start from my background, I'm totally from mechanical side. So see, mechanical to IT is like a lot of time taking to be a transition. For me to get at this job in Power BI part, it takes me for 4 years to do this all the things, to learn the things, to learn AWS, SQL. And at that time, I don't know this platform, and I don't have the such good platform to learn in a one shot and each everything. So I'm keep on searching on YouTube, getting any free videos, paying the courses, but they are not worth for it. But
Exactly.
and like finally, I met the answer with a certain LinkedIn. Through LinkedIn, we know and we know each other, and like it's like he's like my big brother, just in every way he's showing me a path. Okay, this is the path you have to follow, because he knows all the things, and he like in this field, data analytics field, he knows than me, better than me, because all the type of works, what things which we have to learn, what the things we have to follow in the Power BI, or if for the analysis purposes, for the Python, for the ETL, and what are the things is keep on coming in new in a market, so that we can get a good job with a good salary package. So that is very important, because everyone is who is going to join the course or who is here, they want the salary hike, they want good
Exactly.
package, they want to earn something good, and they will like, yes, I have earned, and like this they want to enjoy the things. So for me, I started my journey with the answer itself. Like I'm being as a simple. I'm talking to all this. What the things to be done, sir? What I should learn? He taught me. Okay, this is there. This is there. Then I joined a company that is Dr. ID with as a Power BI developer. I worked in that company around 1.5 years, and previously that 6 months I worked as a field and doing as a like internship with another company as for the Power BI part. And after that, I came to know about ETL tool, because Anand sir is
Actually,
he is
you never
working
had,
there.
sorry to interrupt, you never had any ETL experience, right? You were a
No,
Power BI
no.
developer. You just
Yeah,
learned Matillion and showcase that 3 years experience into the data engineering.
yeah,
That's
sure,
the
sure.
power. Because majority of people, what I have seen, they will say, sir, मेरा तो 3 साल में Power BI है, तो मैं data engineering कैसे बनूंगा? Because they
No,
don't have that
no.
much of knowledge. That road
Correct,
path is
correct.
not clear to them. कोई
Yeah,
उनको
yeah,
उतना
yeah.
डिटेल में पढ़ाएगा ही नहीं कोई ETL tool.
That is the thing. Like ETL is something about engineering, means that you are doing a correction in a data. That's it. What the data should be presented to the peoples or to the stakeholders for the analysis purpose. If the
Exactly.
data come for the analysis, that is come with the data that comes through the backend side, that is a data engineering team. So when I'm in a Power BI side, then I came to know about data cleaning, processing, because there is not that much of level, but I know what are the basic steps that we have to follow to check the null values, to missing values, duplicates, and what are the data integrity issues there. Mostly the people fails in the that is a part of data modeling. they learn the each everything, but they don't know the basic modeling techniques. So like what are the normalization process, like 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, and lot of are there in the line. So for me, it is like from Power BI to this. But yes, the one thing is that I learned this material with the help of the Anand sir. He taught me, has given a lot of the videos are there. I learned like in material what I experienced. It's a new tool in the market. No one is mastering this material. If you know, if you
And there's a
know,
lot of money. People are not aware in the Matillion. You ask
yes,
money, you get
they
that
will give you.
money.
They will
They'll
definitely.
give
They will
you
give you.
जस्ट
If you
वन टूल. मैंने एक
know,
वीडियो भी डाला था सत्यम कि एक टूल जो आपको लाइफ में बहुत आगे बना सकता है, सिर्फ एक टूल, वो है
that is
मेटेलियन.
one.
हाँ.
The one thing you know, see, for material, any ETL tool, the basic is uh, like how the data is coming, what are the data sources, whether it is coming from API, whether it is coming from your any cloud sources, whether it is from on premises. After that, again comes apart like data integrity. Data integrity means there will be no duplicates. Their data should be have a unique records. Why? Whenever like sometimes what happens right now recently one thing happened. The people run the pipeline, they don't have they don't do the incremental load. They are simply loading a data, and how I don't know, they forgot to do the truncate and load, and the pipeline is about 19 million data and keep on running for a whole day, and it's become around 19 into like it will be around 70 million of data. It's duplicates come.
Imagine.
So this is one simple mistake and gone.
That's
So
what people are. People see the market is currently, even if I'm a student, if I want to learn any tool, everywhere people are there to sell just the course. If you look into the syllabus, if you go to their courses, they are not teaching anything at
no,
all. कोई
that is
प्रोडक्शन रिलेटेड
for
चीज पढ़ाता ही नहीं है.
koi nahi. No one
हाँ.
going to tell you what are the, see, knowing a basic is very good, but the things comes when you come, the things comes in a picture when you are doing a job. Basics help you, but when you don't know the what are the difficulties, what are the way to drill down, how to check it out, then you can't. And it comes when you do the lot of practices. When you like literally when you fails, then you know. When you didn't fail, you won't know anything. And I fail many of times. Anand sir knows better than me. I
Exactly.
fail many of times. So if you fail 100 times, you will know 100 ways. That is the thing.
And after
So
going through this course, not only है कि नहीं सत्यम, not only पावर बीआई, AWS हो गया, डेटा इंजीनियर हो गया, आप सीनियर डेटा इंजीनियर हो गया, आपका 3 साल एक्सपीरियंस पावर बीआई में, आप आसानी से जा सकते हो डेटा इंजीनियर में, और किसी को हवा तक नहीं लगेगा कि तुमने डेटा इंजीनियर
power,
में काम नहीं किया है.
see, right now in my team recently, there are the three peoples who is having experience of 6+ in Power BI, and right now they are working as a data engineer with me as an AD of data engineer.
Yeah.
So it is not like you don't know. See, the basic you knows SQL. If you are able to clear the SQL, if you can read SQL, you can write SQL, then it's good. Now the basic things like how to deal, like what are the challenges you have faced. What it should be genuine. When interview asks what are the challenges you have faced, so it should be genuine. Like you, when you are faking, I'm saying if when you're faking anyone, it should be genuine. And like you said, sir, I have the clustering issues there. So they will ask you, okay, what is clustering?
हाँ,
Tell
बस
me.
खत्म, बस
Then what
कहानी
is
खत्म.
clustering? What happens with the clustering is not there. Why we do the clustering? So does anything is parallel with the clustering is happening? Can we do without clustering? It is also there. No, sir, we can't do. They will say, then yes, we. And then another person, yes, I can do with the clustering. It's without clustering also. So like the things is like you should know if you are telling anything wrong, you like anything that I know this thing, you should like set with the each and every
Exactly.
example. It is not like only for taking a doing a little bit search with this. Okay, this word is there. I can give it and tell you. If you tell like clustering, then you should be in and out done. Clustering, this is what is happening with the clustering, what is not happening with the clustering, what will we do, what how much cost is going to be saved with the clustering, what is the process in and out. Once you enter in a company, you can learn it.
Exactly.
And this is for me in a material part is like literally I mean new. I don't know the material and from Anand sir I came to know about the material and I learned it and yes I failed in many interviews but finally like with the help of Anand sir his guidance I came here in this company. Even in this company there are only one people.
And I placed Satyam first. I cracked that interview for him. Imagine, first I cracked the interview for him, and then I made him crack that interview. And I didn't join that company, I made him join. So that's the power which this job guarantee program and everything holds on. Right? He was a part of the previous batch. He was also not a part of any job guarantee code. He just learned, he just was there in the last to last batch. Right? Just a normal courses which we too you have seen there. See where he has landed himself. So it's all your hard work. I am there just to guide you. All you have to do is just keep studying and keep going the right way. That's all.
Okay, sir. I have another meeting.
Yeah, that's
within
all,
5
sir.
minutes.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So if you want to go ahead and enroll in any of these courses, you can go ahead and enroll. Right? New batch is commencing from 4th January onwards. Again, I'm repeating it. It's starting from 4th January at 11 a.m. Right? 11 to 1 and 3 to 5 and 7 to 9. 3 classes will happen on every day. Sorry, on an every weekend, basically. Right? And it will be starting from complete scratch. We are starting with the Power BI. Right? So do not miss this. Do not miss this. Avinash, I think I have answered all your query. I think Satyam has also answered. I have commented. You can scroll up the chat above. Right? If you have any doubt, you have my number. I'm sharing my number. Go ahead and give me a call. Right? You have my number. You have my email ID. So go ahead and give me a call. So that's all, guys, from my side. Good night. Take care. Happy learning. And do subscribe to this channel and spread the word. Let the data do the talking. Bye-bye. Take care. And Merry Christmas.